We'll move on to our next speaker now, Dr. Sudhir Singh. He's an old friend of ours, and he's from Rajasthan. He is a very versatile surgeon of great repute and great standing in the state of Rajasthan, and he is practicing in Mount Abu. And recently, during COVID times, he was very active with community work, and he will show us his video on and teach us the pearls of doing SICS. Dr. Sudhir Singh, please.
Could you share your video, Dr. Sudhir? You should unmute yourself. You are muted. Dr. Sudhir?
Till he comes around, Dr. Tamilarasi.
I think he's on phone. We can.
Can you share
between Iris Claw and SFIUL, how would you take a call of which one would you want to do once you have lost the bag?
I prefer to do iris clip IOL because I feel that for an SFIOL, we need to do a thorough vitrectomy. Since I'm an anterior segment surgeon, I'm more comfortable in doing an iris clip, and visual outcome wise and complication wise also, I feel that iris clip, if done correctly, it gives a very good results.
Sudhir, you are ready?
Mr. Sunil, could you share Dr. Sudhir's video?
We don't have the audio.
Just.
Mr. Sudhir, can you talk along with it?
Yeah, it's coming.
Yes, it's coming. You're not able to see?
Yeah. Now can you restart?
Please start.
Can you restart?
Do you have an audio overlay?
No. I'll cut out. I will speak out.
Okay.
Yeah, please start. So this is a case. It's a pupil is around 4 to 5 millimeter non-dilating pupil. So Rhexis is done under the pupillary margin. And these are the cases mostly seen with pseudo exfoliation, hard cataract, and all that. So hydrodirection is done. And the simple HPMC visco is put, and the nucleus is rotated out into the AC. So this is my way with the Sinskey hook, like we take it out. And now this is my technique in tunnel phacopracture, where nucleus is fractured inside the tunnel safely without anything. Simple practice. Nucleus is taken out. This like cortical metal is cleaned up from side port, and the PMMA lens is implanted. This is post-trab bound down pupil basically, and in this I did a fine capsulotomy. I don't want to do the fine capsulotomy, and this is temporal SICS. Now hydrodissection is done, and nucleus is prolapsed out with the Sinskey hook easily. And now it's taken out from the side. This is again internal phacopracture. One part is broken inside the run, other part is rotated. AC is taken out. Cortical matter is cleaned up with Simcoe only. This you can see. This is post-op day, and this is again post-uveitic bound down pupil. You can see how badly the anterocapsule is sticking with the iris. So we planned multiple small sphincterotomies, because in this case, these are the cases where no hook or no ring would work. So did multiple small sphincterotomies. Again, in this case, capsulotomy were done. Multiple punctures. Visco is done, hydro. nucleus is rotated out and prolapsed into the AC. Taken out with Bactis because it was the small nucleus, so was not required to break. This is post putting intraocular IOL. This is again hypermature fibrosed capsule, not getting dilated pupil. Small, the multiple punctured capsulotomy done. And then the cut were joined. And the nucleus was very small. It was not coming out and it's taken out by Bactis. So that's all from my side.
Yes. I think you hardly spend a minute or two for your cataract cases, is what I
No, ma'am. Basically, because I have for the those who are doing the SICS, no cataract is complex for us. But really, the 4 minutes you said in the 4 minutes was the challenging to present the case, because I have series of small pupils with different etiologies. For that, at least I have requested you to give some more time, but somewhere else I'll show with the pathogenesis and all that things. So it's required little time, but everything can be done easily without problem.
Do you often go to can opener or often do Rexis only in these cases there were can openers?
Basically, no. First, CCs can open as the last resort, and something, because in the cases where your capsulorhexin, like in the uveitic cases, where the lens capsule was fused so badly with the posterior part of the iris. So in that case, even you are doing the capsulotomy won't extend because this is so badly fused. So that we deliberately plan to do that. In last case also, in that case, even Rexis, the jonules were so weak. So if I just do the Rexis, then there will be like a pressure on the jonules. As Dr. Devashish has said in the Dr. Tamlian's case, that sometimes the capsulotomy is life-saving in these conditions. Mostly Rexis is first if I don't want to do the capsulotomy also if it's required.
Thank you very much.